report right quick. Flash is on with Flash. We got our toast.
Bro, fuck this. Okay, that's enough.
Today we're gonna be recording day in our life, I guess. Cause right now it is currently like the morning. Is currently 5:49, guys. Yeah, and we're about to get ready for school because we have school, obviously. But yeah, right now we're just really gonna do our makeup, and that's what we start with all the time, other than going to the restroom when we first wake up and shit. But yeah, we're gonna do our makeup. My bag's over there.
Alright, guys, we have finished with our brows. The biggest step yet.
Yes, and that took us. It's currently right now like 6:12, 6:11, around there.
So it took us some time. Alright, guys, but yeah, we're just gonna be doing our makeup right now.
Never choking, always smoking dope. Fucking if they getting over, got a month of coke because the kid the coldest. Ain't changed, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid getting older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper, stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow.
Alright, guys, so we're about to make this smoothie right now. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get. I don't know what. Do you want the mix or the mango one? The strawberry.
The strawberry.
Strawberry. Okay, we're gonna get strawberry, you guys. Strawberry. Right now, we are just gonna finish with whatever we missed of our makeup. So, yeah.
Yeah, I'm obviously gonna take this off, but we're done, guys. Oh my. But guys, look at the time. 7:21. Oh no. Let me shut the fuck up. Because that's weird. I'm gonna charge my AirPods, guys, because oh my god, and we have like 20 or so minutes. I'm doing this so late. But fuck. I'm like so tired. I'm so tired, guys. I'm gonna go change. Cause yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go change to be RB.
I'm gonna do my hair right now. Wait, real fucking nappy, you know.
Around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the wood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in the figure four. Let me fuck.
Yeah, guys, we're probably just gonna go get our backpack.
Oh, I didn't turn it off. Okay, y'all, this is update. We're gonna make my mom some food, and then we're gonna make ourselves some toast, yeah.
Wait, do we have the raspberry?
Anyway, but yeah.
Guys, we have gotten our toast. You can't even.
Guys, we got our toast. We're now gonna put some raspberry jam on there. It is 8:43. My mom's coming. Okay, yeah, so right now we're munching on some blackberry. These are so good, y'all.
They're pretty good.
Pretty. I'm gonna get a few of these because these be so bomb, y'all. I love these. And I'm gonna get a few blueberries. These are so good. These blueberries are good. Last night we did this meal prep for our family and stuff. It's just some food, you know. We were gonna do a cooking video about it, but we forgot because we were here talking to our family, so whatever. So yeah, next time we're gonna be posting a cooking video. Which one should we take? So look, my little brother picked these out because I'm pretty sure he likes strawberry. I want this one. We got those. I don't know which ones I would make. Okay, I think I'm probably gonna take this one.
Taking this one.
Okay, so yes, this is yogurt. Okay, I'm gonna get this one because
guys, a fruit roll. Wait, can't you see the flavor in the box or something? I'm gonna take these two for my snack. or literally, I'm not gonna pull it out during third period, guys. Anyways, guys, we're gonna just take this. Yep, this is what we're gonna take.
Oh, okay, guys, to have that. Alright, you guys, so right now I'm walking to my third period class because I was in the restroom with my friend, but we just came out and I'm like walking outside to my class. So yeah, and I'm probably gonna snack food. I already ate some goldfish and lunch, but and I'm gonna have to wait for someone to fucking open this damn door. We're gonna make slime again.
Okay, round 2. Damn, we should have got some.
You can see
food
everybody
coloring.
except Jenny.
Yeah, Jenny, you need to kind of.
Wait, maybe we can like.
Guys, what if we like throw this out? We're not throwing it out.
Yeah, I was thinking.
And put it in the bag.
We could put it in the cup or something.
Yeah.
Put it later. Okay, guys, we have our glue and we have eye drops as activator and
The water and baking soda.
this, but that's not gonna
Not the
work.
water.
I think we should
The baking soda kind of works.
this time let's just try using baking soda and that.
Hold on, guys. Let me put my hair
Let's,
up.
we're gonna add some glue. Oh,
Oh shit, she's getting into it.
Let me take off my
oh,
ring.
okay. Do you think that much?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, a little more.
Wait, but we need to get this off the table first, and then we can combine it. Whoa,
Okay,
whoa,
okay.
slow your roll. What?
Okay, anyways, guys, now we're gonna add some.
I think that's my
add it.
computer.
Jenny's adding some
Shaving cream.
What that
shaving cream.
You can't even see her, bro.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, you can.
Bro, you got some
Give me the
shitty
shit.
ass. Bruh.
I wonder where that went.
You think I can like open the can? No.
Here.
What is it? Get that shit.
Can I use this? Look what you got on me.
Am I?
I'm gonna start mixing, guys.
Bro, fuck this. Okay, that's enough.
Okay, guys, we're gonna be mixing.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive.
Oh my god.
Wait,
Anyways, we're gonna add some eye drops. There, guys, y'all see this for me, right? Oh yeah.
This is so fun.
I'm gonna use my hand too because fucking. Guys, this is sticky as fuck. Oh shit. Okay, we need to open it a little bit.
guys, it's like literally going to the edge.
Look at this. It's coming together. We need to put like a little bit more. You got it?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys.
Why did y'all make that?
This nigga.
Oh,
Put it more down.
here, I'm gonna scoot. Oh,
Bro, you guys are fucking slow.
okay, thank you.
Bro, Elijah.
Guys, that made a big mess, guys. Oh my god. I need to clean this up, guys.
Beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas, mad snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga.
Awkward, embarrassing, who cares? There's like hella dudes
Are you
literally
laughing,
right
guys? This is
beside us
actually like
and
a
us.
very good consistency. This is a very good consistency.
Yeah, guys.
Look at this. Like, look, this is what we need. Like this.
Look, it's not sticky.
This is what we're going for, ladies.
There, guys.
Look.
Yeah, Alondra has them slime hands.
She got fucking warm ass hands. My bad.
No.
I want to
Okay,
touch
guys,
it.
I'm probably gonna add a little more.
But it's not as fluffy as the
Yeah, the other one was quite more tad bit fluffy.
This shit is all over. I need to. I'll go to the bathroom and get some stuff. Wait, what time is it? 2:10.
12, 11.
Okay.
Oh shit, it's almost time to go.
This shit is warm. Hold on, can you put some more in here? Ah!
More slime? Oh shit, did it drip down? Oh, I got so scared, guys. Oh my god, I was about to say.
Wait.
Yeah, I know.
Hold on, we're gonna.
There's so much in there.
Alright, guys.
Hold on,
came
put
into
yours
slime.
together. Let's put it together. She's a pro. Don't play.
Oh, guys, that's pretty cool.
It
We
looks
just
cool,
made
like it
slime.
bounces
Guys,
off the table. Hold on, there's some activator. in
this
there,
is
so-
our
hands are
slime. This is the final result. Guys, this was a mess, so bad mess. Anyways, peace. Alright guys, I'm in automotive class now and I have to wash this part. Oh, I have to clean this part right quick. Flash is on with. Guys, I still have like a long way, but I got somewhere. But there's still like hella way to go through this.
It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty.
Guys, it's already time to go. It's time to leave. Hey, y'all, we are back from school and currently we went to go microwave our little like meal had done earlier, and I've already eaten some, but yeah, we came to the room to record to like get another clip because my brother's over there and kind of awkward. I don't know. Anyway, yeah.